backpack is ready to go, and we're off. So the Cape to Cape is a 123-ish kilometer hike in the southwest of Western Australia. The trek goes along the coastline from Dunsborough to Augusta. I decided to hike it in 6 days, and I plan to camp in the official campsites. I'm looking forward to see a lot of stunning beaches, whales, wildflowers, and most of all, I'm looking forward to the hike. Let's do it! Yeah! Sandy now. Goodbye, Sugarloaf Rock. I can see my first glimpse of Yallingup. Yay! Hi! Amazing! Wow, it's so pretty. Like, I've seen whales already just off the coast, and it's just magical. This is so pretty. Totally worth stopping for. I've been running. I need some light to set up my tent. Oh, yes, I made it. There's no one here. Oh, so dark. Oh my god. Today was really good. I'm actually surprised that I'm here by myself. I was expecting more people on the Cape to Cape trek. I do feel like I have a little blister coming, so I have to keep an eye on that. It's really cold, but I have prepared myself. I've got a lot of clothes, a lot of warm weather clothes. I mean cold weather clothes, and I'm looking forward to what tomorrow brings. Good night. Bye. Good morning. I did something incredibly stupid. So I usually charge my phone at night. So last night I was like, oh yeah, I've got like like 35% left. I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning while I'm having breakfast. And this morning I wake up and I realize I don't have my phone charger with me. It's really stupid. Alright, so after some quick thinking, I called the Yallingup general store, and luckily we got reception here and they told me that they have chargers. So I'm just gonna go. I'm not 100% sure if they understood me correctly, but I'm just gonna go and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, that's it. Trek is closed. Nah, just kidding. We have to take a detour. So I'm guessing it's all gonna be on here. Oh yeah. Walkers, please follow the yellow easy drive posts. Okay. It should only be a short stretch. But oh my god. Ah. Alright, this is what it looks like when you're walking in the sand. Woo! Bloody tough. I sort of want to camp here. I don't think it's a good idea. Mr. Fox. Hi guys, I'm in my tent. Good night. Hiking is fun, but not if you're having a bad day. Someone gave me a lift. This is so tough. Woo! Another adventure.